Dima and welcome to my integrations channel. So in this video, I would like to briefly show you how you can access emails programmatically using such services as Mailosaur and Playwright. So in Mailosaur, you can find like basic examples for Cypress, Playwright. This is end-to-end testing frameworks, most famous and popular, widely used. So the basic idea is that when you will have account, you will receive something called like server ID, and as well as in the code, you will have API key. So I will push the code to the GitHub so you can try it in action. You import and create an instance of Mailosaur client, and then you can use it in your code. For example, using mailosaur.messages.create, you can send an email. So here is to for whom I'm sending, and this email should be verified in a dashboard. So when you go to API keys and here email addresses, so this user should confirm that he's ready to receive notifications from you. And yeah, so I will just execute node send email.js. Okay, I need to enter the API key. So I've entered the API key and trying it again. Node send email. So you will see in my private email box. Usually it comes to spam. Yeah, here it is. Email from Mailosaur. So and the idea is that Mailosaur can receive emails to such type of email boxes, where this first part integrator is like just anything or any random string. This part is your server ID that can be found in a dashboard. So I will go to homepage. So this is your server ID. And back to the code, so .mailosaur.net. So let me show you how it works. Right now in inbox, we have nothing. So I just manually, so imagine that this is something triggered in the server. So you can send it like demo mail 544455. So this will be my code that I would like to send. So yeah, sending to Mailosaur, and it will appear in your inbox. So once refreshed, you can see it should be here. Maybe in the real life you will need to add some delay. Yeah, but you can see it's there. So what can be the use case? So for example, you have some application where you have installed and initialized Mailosaur and you have end-to-end tests, for example, with Playwright. Next, you can simulate or create a user who will, like in front-end application, use anything at server.id@mailosaur.com. So this will be the email like we just sent manually. So let's say I fill some form where you need to verify one-time password or anything else. So then this request goes to the server, and server really send an one-time password to this email address. And in your end-to-end tests, you can access this email box and programmatically check it. So for example, going to example.spec TypeScript. So I just initialized a very simple basic Playwright application. So what do we have here? We have a function that will get latest emails using mailosaur.messages.search and send to this email. So you can use other criteria how to search the messages. So we take the first message, which will be the latest. We will log it to console, return, and then here is our test. In the body, we will try to extract some number that will go after this text, and we will compare, for example, with what we have entered. So, for example, you can specify variable, then tell to enter in some form in your website, and then check if the correct code was sent in the email, via the email. So let me just execute this test. So yeah, you see the test passed. So this is example how we can get messages from Mailosaur. So you can have ID, server ID, from whom. So I manually send it from my Gmail account, but in your case, it can be from your server with some configurations. Yeah, so to for whom maybe you can add CC, receive date, subject, and summary. So, and in this code, we just checked with regexp and found the code from summary and compared that the expected value is actually the one that, let's say, we entered in the UI. So yeah, one more comment that you can visit official documentation and see how to get messages list, how to search, how to do like more operations there. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.